Hello and welcome to Dance Project. You're watching a series of tutorials introducing a dance and movement methodology to cope with stress. We have prepared 5 tutorials for you. 1 for the warm-up to begin the workshops, 3 for the dancing activities, the core of the workshop, and 1 for the stretching to end the activities and reconnect with the present moment. The warm-up and the stretching should remain the same for every dance workshop. The methodology will help you to ease movement among participants, allow them to connect with their creativity, and finally help them release stress. There are no particular requirements to participate in the workshop, as the activities proposed can be interpreted in different ways by the participants and according to their mental and physical capabilities. Make sure you read the booklet in order to be prepared and feel comfortable to lead the program with your groups. You can find it in the description. Enjoy!
What I was thinking that creativity is when I express the ideas and feelings and I bring them to life. It's like I give them life in the various forms probably. So this is creativity, it's me. It's me expressed and my world expressed in any shapes and forms and ways.
But the most important part of creativity for me that this is the tool, this is the quality to be free, to be fulfilled, to understand ourselves better, but most of the time, most of cases, to achieve self-reliance and independence, and that's what I value the most in this very wide term.
That is for me a movement inside of me, like something ancestral.
Dance actually plays an important role in my life, and I believe that from the moment you move, you're actually dancing, and this can be a single step or a complex choreography. It is a way, for me, it is a way to express feelings, to have fun and feel better.
Okay, actually, dancing for me is exploring my movements. Before I used to think of a dance more like a general thing, but now I think about it as different kind of set of movements that allows me to express my emotions and tell a story without words.
And dance, well, dance is my life, to be honest. I've been dancing since I was a little kid, with many styles, many different styles. But now, after all this experience of repertoire, ballet, voguing, street dance, ballroom, I think dance is a way of free yourself, first of all. And dance is something that starts in your mind, in your psyche, and take you throughout your life experience. Dance is movement. Movement is life. Movement is your heart beating all the time, so it's always dancing.
As you can see, dance and creativity are a very personal way of thinking. So everyone can dance and be creative.
So now you're ready to implement this program with your groups. Take a look to the playlist with all the tutorials that we made for you. And have a lovely day!